Joining us now, Anand Ramamoorthy, Managing Director of Micron India. Mr. Ramamoorthy, thanks for being with us. What is Micron doing to battle COVID-19? The focus and partnership with AIF to rehabilitate migrant communities in Hyderabad. Tell us a little bit about that.
Micron has had a long and a rich tradition of working with the communities and the countries where we operate. Being a global company, we've had a significant footprint in Asia, China. So we had early access to the pandemic in terms of knowing the early signs of pandemic. This gave us a chance to plan and prepare better. And as a result, very early on, almost 3 months back, Micron globally announced a fund of $35 million that was focused on addressing almost all aspects of this pandemic. And India was a significant beneficiary, being a strategic site of Micron. We were a significant beneficiary. We've been working tirelessly for the last couple of months, especially in the areas of food, in the areas of healthcare, areas of education and skilling. We've been largely operating in the state of Telangana, where we are headquartered. We've also done some good work in the states of Andhra and Karnataka. And we feel very obligated to help the migrant challenges that have come up more recently, because a lot of the IT infrastructure that we are all so proud of has been built on the backs of these faceless, nameless migrant laborers. Now is the time for us as a community, as responsible multinationals, to walk the talk and do whatever we can.
Mr. Ramamoorthy, we need to rehabilitate our migrants. We believe you have an announcement to make.
On behalf of Micron and Micron India, I'm very pleased and satisfied to pledge a sum of $125,000 US, which will be focused on challenges specific to the migration issues, the migrant issues. Again, both short-term, mid-term, and long-term. The short-term issues are focused on hunger. There is also transport options that are to be provided to people who are shuttling between their native towns and their areas of work. We're also going to be working with the America-India Foundation to focus on long-term skilling, making sure these people can find their foot in the place and start working again. And someday, I hope, when this is all over, and this is a distant memory, we can all feel very happy, satisfied that we all came together as communities, as neighbors, as collaborators, and were able to address what has been a global pandemic of the highest order. Thank you.
All right. Well, thank you so much for that amazing contribution of 93.7 lakh rupees for the cause. It's just amazing.